Decoding the phrase, touch tank. Dive in. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore the intriguing phrase, touch tank. This expression is not just about physical contact or a storage container. It's richer and more interesting than that. Stay tuned as we dive into the meaning and use of touch tank in the English language. The term, touch tank, actually has a very specific meaning. It's a phrase that's rooted in the world of aquariums and marine biology. A touch tank is an exhibit commonly found in aquariums where visitors can touch and interact with aquatic life under supervision. It's designed to be hands-on to create an engaging learning experience. Let's break it down. Touch. This word is straightforward. It refers to the action of coming into contact with something using your hands. Tank. In this context, a tank is a large container holding water for aquatic animals. Put together, a touch tank allows people to touch marine life in a tank safely and learn about different species. While touch tank is a term mostly used in the context of marine exhibits, it can sometimes be used metaphorically. For example, a touch tank experience in education could refer to any hands-on learning activity where students interact directly with the subject matter. Be aware that touch tank doesn't have common use outside of its literal meaning. If you use it in an unrelated context, it may lead to confusion. It's not a phrase that's typically used to describe touchable objects in general or tanks that are simply to be touched. And that wraps up our deep dive into the phrase, touch tank. We hope this video has been informative and has added a new term to your English vocabulary. If you've ever had the chance to visit a touch tank or have a hands-on learning experience, we'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the depths of the English language with us.